ECDL Advanced, Word, Lesson 36, Creating Footnotes and Endnotes. Footnotes are a formalised way of documenting sources for quotations, facts and ideas in a report. A footnote number is automatically placed in the document next to the text to be referenced. The same number appears at the bottom of the page with details about the source of the information. Endnotes perform the same function but are found at the end of a document. We've opened the document Discovery and we're being asked to insert page breaks before the third and fourth text paragraphs so that we create a 3-page document. At the moment, as we can see, this is a 1-page document. So to the beginning of the third paragraph, Control Enter will insert the page break so we move everything to the next page. And again, before the fourth paragraph, insert a page break there. To create a footnote, we're going to position the cursor after the word tomb in the second paragraph over here, and then we're going to go References, Insert Footnote. The cursor will then move to the bottom of the page, ready for the text to be entered into a special footnote area. We're going to put in the text, "Evidence was found of early grave robbers." Okay, if we use the scroll bar to move back to the main document, what we'll find is the number 1 has been inserted in the correct place. Now we're going to insert 3 more footnotes. Also in paragraph 2, just after the name Howard Carter, we're going to put in again a footnote, insert footnote, and this time the text is going to be Lord Carnarvon financed the dig. Next, in paragraph 3, we're looking for the words canopic jars. We're going to insert a footnote. This time, alabaster or clay pots with the heads of Egyptian deities for lids. Each watched over a particular body part. Next, in paragraph 4, after the word bandaged body, insert a footnote, and this time jewels and other precious items were found in the wrappings. If we now move the mouse over the reference mark 1, so let's go up to the top and find the reference for 1. If we move the mouse over the reference mark, it displays the footnote as a caption. So we can see here, evidence was found of early grave robbers. Note that each footnote is at the bottom of the relevant page. The ones for 1 and 2 are at the bottom of this page. The one for 3 is at the bottom of this page, and the one for number 4 is at the bottom of this page. At that point, save this file as footnote and then close it. Open Discovery again, so we're back to the original document, and we're going to insert the same page breaks as described earlier in this particular video. At the beginning of the third paragraph, we're going to press Control Enter to put in a page break, and at the beginning of the fourth paragraph we're also going to press Control Enter to now get the 3-page document that we had before. Now this time, rather than working with footnotes, we're going to work with endnotes. So position the cursor as we did before in the second paragraph just after the word tomb, and this time we're going to go for references, and instead of inserting footnote we're going to insert an endnote, and we're going to put in precisely the same text as we had before. Evidence was found of early grave robbers. As before, we're going to use the scroll bar to move back to the main document, and we're going to notice how the number has changed. We'll see now that rather than the number 1, we have an I. Endnotes have their own number sequence separate from footnotes. The reason why is because it would be confusing to have both in the same document. The next one we want to change is just after Howard Carter. We're going to insert an endnote again. Lord Carnarvon financed the dig. Next, in paragraph 3, which was just after canopic jars, we're going to insert an endnote, and it's going to be alabaster or clay pots with the heads of Egyptian deities for lids, each watched over a particular body part. And finally, in paragraph 4, just after bandaged body, insert an endnote, and its jewels and other precious items were found in the wrappings. Okay, so as we can see, all of the footnotes are at the very end of the document. Now, endnotes can be converted to footnotes and vice versa. If we go to the Footnotes group and click on the Footnote and Endnote dialog box, we have the option to convert. If we convert all endnotes to footnotes and then press OK and then close, we will now find that all those endnotes have now been converted into footnotes. So we'll see, for example, notes for 1 and 2 are both on the bottom of this page, so therefore they are footnotes rather than endnotes now. If we wish to convert them back to endnotes, so again, open the Footnotes and Endnote dialog box, click Convert again, and this time click All Footnotes to Endnotes. Click OK, then press Close, and now we'll find that they are now all footnotes at the bottom of the document. Okay, it was a long one, this one, but I hope you bared with. So what we'd like to do now is to save this as Endnotes and then close it. Okay, look forward to seeing you next time.